guys, this is me again, Ron Isel. Umuulan ngayon dito sa Hong Kong. After the typhoon, continue pa rin yung ulan. So, it's a rainy day today. Naglalakad lang ako palagi. Exercise. Umulan, umaraw. Kasi it's good to walk. Morning time. Ito ko ngayon sa Old Tai Po Market Railway. As you can see, this is a museum. Yan, pinipreserve nila yan as a souvenir. And for the tourists also, yung history ng railway. Since 1983 to 1990, ginagamit nila tong railway na to. That is the booth. Dito ka pwedeng bumili ng ticket before. Yan. Ito siya. Yung laman ng exhibition center nila. Yan yung exhibition gallery nila. Loob ng booking nila dati. Dito sila yung mga tao bumibili ng mga ticket. Tumutubo sila ng ticket dito. Meron silang dalawang room para tumanggap. Ito yung pinaka-office. Pati yung telepono and then machine na ginagamit nila. Nandito pa rin. Pinireserve talaga nila lahat. Here you go. Exactly kung ano yung nakikita natin dito ngayon, hindi yung mga ginagamit nila noon. This is the museum, the history, yung history ng ang railway, ng East Railway. 1910 nag-umpisa. As you can see, ito yung bago ngayon. Isa siya sa transportation dito sa Hong Kong. Experience this is the design during 2004 25th anniversary day. And kung pupunta kayo ng Disneyland, ito yung MTR nila, yung Disneyland Resort line train. Up to present, nag-start siya ng 2005. This is the high-speed Hong Kong high-speed train. 2018 up to present. Very cool. Isa Kowloon Canton Railway. British section. Kasi under to dati ng British colony. So, this is the plate. And this is the office head. Lumang octopus card na ginagamit nila before. Tapos, ito na yun ngayon. This one. Here you go. Yung octopus card. Another variant ng octopus nila. Kind of museum, kahit hindi ka taga rito, kahit hindi ka talaga taga rito sa Hong Kong, mafe-feel mo na alam mo yung parang bumalik ka sa dating panahon, paano sila nagsimula, ano yung development nila. Sana maging ganito din tayo sa Pilipinas, no? Ayan, unti-unti hanggang sa ngayon, napaka-convenient. Number one is, yun yung pinaka-importante. Pagdating sa transportation, kahit gaano siya kalayo, napaka-convenient niya. Let's go to the outdoor area. Tingnan natin. Init pa din. Wait. Sa engineering coach number 002, yung third class. Then the coach number 313, this is the 313, commenced service in 1921 as a third class passenger coach, mainly running between the Tsim Sha Tsui and Lung Wu section of the Kowloon Canton Railway. The bogie of the coach was manufactured in England and the wooden body was mounted in Hong Kong. Okay, since 1950s, the Kowloon Canton Railway started refurbishing the coaches by stages. The coach number 313 was among the first batch of the train coaches with wooden bodies. So, ito daw yung first wooden bodies replacement by the steel-made one. So, the coach number 313 was initially pulled by the steam engine locomotive, which was later replaced by a diesel electric engine. So, yun, nag-change na sila noong 1980s. Yung service ng coach number 313 is tumagal siya ng 60 years, 60 plus years, bago napalitan siya ng diesel electric engine noong 1980s. Tapos, tinawag na siya na Hong Kong Railway, means Israel. Okay. Punta naman tayo sa kabila. Okay. Dito sa kabilang bagon, ito yung KCR. Yan. Ito yung 112, first class compartment of coach number 112. So, this is the first class. Okay, let's go. There you go. Ito yung first class na bagon ginagamit nila. So, dun sa isa, yung ordinary lang, yung upuan niya, mga kahoy. Dito naman, mga ano na siya, mga leather na. Tapos with table on the side. Yan. Like this. same pa rin, maluag yung space. Pagdalawahan, yung sa isang line ng upuan. Napakasimple. Nag-start siya noong inopen sa public noong 2020. This is the interior of the March 313 photo taken in 1950. 1989. Ito na siya. Nagkaroon ng restoration yung 313. So the weight niya is 30 tons yung bigat ng ng coach 313. Pwede kang stand dito, bawal kang tumayo. Imagine sobrang yung ganito kalaking train, tapos ganito kahabigat, so ang speed niya mabagal. Okay, this is the other section. Sabi dito, ayan, please do not stay on this part of this train while the train is on motion. So when it's moving, bawal. Nakakatuwa, kahit hindi ka pa buhay nung time na yun, na-experience mo yung dati nilang transportation sa tren, sa bagon, which is pinipreserve pa rin nila hanggang ngayon. Siguro sa mga generation, saka sa mga tourist na din, kung paano nila na-develop yung way ng transportation nila. Last part. Itong side na to malamig, nilagyan nila ng AC sa taas. Kasi nga maraming tourists. Ayan. May compartment pa din. Dati, ang tawag sa railway ng papunta dito sa New Territory is Colon Canton Railway, which is East Railway na siya ngayon. KCRBS pa siya, hindi pa siya MTR. Napakaswerte kasi nakarating tayo dito, na-experience natin kung ano yung history about the Colon Canton Railway, kung paano siya nag-umpisa, paano siya naging develop pagdaan ng maraming panahon. So it's a new knowledge dito sa history ng Hong Kong.